today we're exploring one of the world's largest natural sanctuaries, which is of course the Amazon rainforest. Number 10. Welcome to the Amazon rainforest. Nestled deep in the heart of South America, this is the world's largest rainforest, covering 5.5 million square kilometres of land across 9 nations. The majority of the rainforest sits in Brazil, followed by Peru, Colombia, and then smaller amounts in a number of countries, which include Venezuela, Ecuador, and Bolivia, to name a few. It is believed that the rainforest has existed for over 55 million years. Number 9. The Amazon rainforest is made up of 4 layers. Starting with the forest floor, which is the lowest and darkest point of the forest, this only gets 2% of sunlight. The forest floor is home to an array of insects, including leafcutter ants. Leafcutter ants can live in colonies of up to 3 or 4 million ants, along with scorpions, snakes and spiders. From the ground up, we move to the understory layer. This layer of the rainforest, from the ground up to about 60 feet, gets only 2 to 15% of the sunlight that hits the layers above. This is where you'll find a heavy concentration of bugs, including mosquitoes, along with animals such as red-eyed tree frogs, jaguars and fruit bats. The canopy layer is the next in line, standing at around 60 to 130 feet above the ground. This gets roughly 95% of the sunlight and is home to the majority of the wildlife in the Amazon rainforest, including the harpy eagle, which has a diet of mainly monkeys and sloths. And then finally there is the emergent layer. This is the highest part of the Amazon rainforest and gets 100% of the sunlight. Typically it stands at around 100 to 250 feet above the ground. The leaves on the trees at this height are waxy to protect them from the sun's rays, and some of the animals found in this layer are the sloth, colourful macaws and the spider monkey, and then not forgetting the world's smallest bird. And no, I'm not talking Victoria Beckham. Of course, I'm talking about the hummingbird. Number 8. The Amazon rainforest is home to roughly half of the world's 10 million species of animal known to man, with some scientists saying that new species are discovered every 3 days. Some of the deadliest animals also reside in the Amazon rainforest, from the enchanting colours of the poison dart frog, whose poison can cause heart failure within minutes, through to the majestic spots of the jaguar, which is the 3rd largest cat in the world, and then not forgetting one of the most fearsome predators of the Amazon, the black caiman, whose attack involves drowning its prey and swallowing it whole wherever possible. Number 7. The Amazon rainforest is home to an array of plants, over 40,000 to be more precise. You'll be surprised to know that a number of common houseplants originate from here, and amongst many of the colourful and harmless plants, hide a few with deadly intent. One of these is the angel's trumpet. Found and grown across the world, this beautiful flowering plant is actually poisonous, causing paralysis and hallucinations if consumed in small doses, and even death if a large enough dose is consumed. Number 6. There are many plants around the globe that contain medicinal attributes, and a massive 70% of the ones known to have anti-cancer properties are found in the rainforest. Amazon natives are known to use plants regularly, but it is estimated that a whopping 90% of the plants that they use have never even been studied by modern science, so that cure for cancer could quite possibly be sitting in the Amazon rainforest. Number 5. The Amazon rainforest is home to approximately 2.5 million species of insects, including butterflies, beetles, ants and many, many more. It is said that there are over 300 different types of butterflies in the Amazon. And one of the most fascinating facts about these Amazonian butterflies is that they actually drink the tears of turtles. It is believed that they do this for the sodium and the other nutrients in their tears. Another more sinister insect of the Amazon is the bullet ant, appropriately named as its sting is said to be the most painful of all, resembling the pain of being shot. Number 4. The Amazon rainforest is home to over 200 species of birds of all colours and sizes. From the large harpy eagle that is considered to be one of the biggest eagles in the world, to bright colourful macaws with bragging rights of being the noisiest birds of the Amazon, whose voices are so loud that they can be heard from 2 miles away. And of course not forgetting the iconic toucan with its loud voice and brightly coloured beak. Number 3. Did you know that a little over 500 years ago there were between 6 and 9 million Amazon natives? Today that number is estimated to be less than 250,000, spread across 400 tribes, which approximately 50 of those tribes had never even been in contact with the rest of the world. The tribes combined are said to speak approximately 170 languages between them. Number 2. Considered to be the lungs of the planet, the Amazon rainforest produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen and contributes to the cleaning of the air that we breathe, free of global emissions and carbon dioxide. But thousands of acres of rainforest are burned each year, along with figures showing that over the last 40 years a whopping 20% of the Amazon rainforest has been cut down. It is now estimated that if the world's temperature increases by just 3 degrees due to climate change, it would result in a further loss of 75% of the Amazon rainforest. Number 1. Considered by many to be the life force of the Amazon rainforest, the Amazon River is approximately 6,400 kilometres long, and amazingly it has no bridges crossing it at any point. The river is home to over 3,000 different types of fish, along with a number of species that have deadly attributes such as piranhas, electric eels, and one of the largest snakes in the world, the anaconda. The river once flowed from east to west up until around 65 million years ago and started to shift in direction following the rise of the Andes, and now flows from west to east. That was 10 amazing facts about the Amazon rainforest. Did you know all of those?